Well, jai, Kinskelly, that's a continuous. Sha, Cameron Shaw, and Shaw. Well, Kinskelly, to some which you come Sha, to magic a Shaw, Sha, the Mackay live stream in this Gus Nia May and Nicha mé meurchan meurchan suascair an go me seanna. Teach nachreich fe cin muid sinna chéidir mai anna mar se má chuine ní ar bhfuléchan is tinse fós ní sa méghine á nach chanéidir de récha chuine marm caiint agus sé ci mar Sam ní réon bin cóirte má bhíon duine sin be tearna ben éí meart níos sam cecha le seibro ach Tá sam mu ná mo chlustel so dí récha ach mu tena sé an mar má fón eile te mu tarlú sé tá há Tá ben arm hain caiim me. Zet hem eens in de... Zet hem maar eromheen. Skid er iets doen. Eigenlijk, kan maar zijn naast. Ach, kan zeggen, maar dat is niet minus. Zo. Se ní sam mat é cheist nó mu nus cecha nair mu te sin. Ki me sinna ó ar mar a kint. Highlight kit me se. Ki mu is. At least 1 minute to video to highlight ki mu ki sin. Retouch. Ní sam kit me sinna. Ní sam cechaí gyda gan mas na sé níos fearr mas a portrait mar seo béidir mu sin calm. Se bhfuil Jabe Tá mu féicim duna cinnte sin mu se ní má bhín bhhailm má se begear a ceist. Mata kecht agri rom, if you have a question for me, mata kecht agri, mar ilanach in chair in a sayer. If you have any questions, kecht agri, go honna kinse cha, go honna sin a sayer. Do you have any questions or go honna sin a sayer? Nisam kichai vekins ma, nisam manan wale na chan le kecht ekal. I don't know if there's any way you can see Kesht. I can imagine span them at the brand where my YouTube pain or phone I left. You know what man an Kesht a choir. I can imagine this what man an Kesht a choir. Only right on the score features. Okay, yeah, ní bheanna channels go man an ceist fácinch. Beidir mai an nach bhfuil beidir go dastil 1000 subscriber. Ní sam bhfuil gailige ige na dámta tá couple duine géisteach, ní sam bhfuil bearil an bhfuil gaige agaí. I don't know if you have Irish or good enough Irish. German. So I don't know. I think I need 1,000 subscribers, or maybe there's something in the setting to be able to leave a question, you know, like a live chat. So if you want to ask me a question, I won't see it. I need your name, or I need someone to gaiblo. I kind of am kind. But you know, I carry in the machine. I might just do this for 15 minutes. Ma vine hashtag John by imagine a video. Because I'll do a video tomorrow. Video needs footage, a longer form video. Because imagine a good old fish and guided. I do lots of short videos. Tás rudí gaiidir ar na YouTube shorts ach beidir mai cean níos fuide amáireach. Agus if you have any question má tá ceiste agaí chum be se buna an ágáils na comments ar sin be man an na ceistení sin na phlé ar livestream. Beidir mai cepa gan na má livestream amáireach éis I think I'll do another livestream tomorrow. Beidir an nám céan but probably around the same time. Kitá better heart at a hocht, maybe around 8 o'clock tomorrow. For my like you on it in go mat. Yeah, sean troi na féidir am éon deiciil, sean troi na féidir am nach féidir na cheiste chuir. It's a pity no one can send what you call it, a question. My bovalum, I'd like to be able to see a question and if you have any question as a native speaker, guide your hochus, in the Sire, in and as a native speaker here in the Sire, the Iron Islands. This Matay Keshtag even more Kesmuch, apart from just being an islander or apart from being a native speaker, if you have any questions for yeah, it's a pity. Yeah, I'm looking at my phone, to my banner, my phone, it's and agus ní féidir lom main raw I can't see any option to live stream. Need some page go rudkins in the settings. There might be something in the settings I have to unlock. Or page gam meal subscriber or I might have to have 1,000 subscribers. I'm too small fry to my roveg to my bag beijach. I'm too small beijach. Mille sam. Nile sam. Yeah, shan throw yes and yeah, that's a pity. The machas sin, if I knew that I mightn't have done the live stream because no one is able to interact with me nearly on an answer. Skoma. Jana ma couple no mar dailech. Jach lawer ma fér di ma jana no vi ma gober sort car shopper and couple even much as a horse out there in the sha vi ma jerch sha vi much vi ma priakloch so priakloch is a word we use in China in the Sire. Killing priakloch, there's the fui vroo, so when you're under pressure. So you ma priakloch ino. My album my gopper the cart shop a bug. I have a small craft shop agus being galore Yanks, galore Maracani, Torosori, Strike Cherry, lots of Americans come into the shop agus Ernos Lonna more. So Lonna, that's a word in Focolus and Mudicha. And in a Sir, that's a word we use here and in a Sir for meaning wave, a wave. So Lonna. So tagan Lunny more big waves, tagan Lunny more Yanks, Maracani Ishtach. Agus be ma priakloch and I do be priakloch. Kielin priakloch. Very busy, very under pressure. You know, you're under bottom. Oh, so you, just put it to my priakloch. Oh, Jenny Mac, I'm priakloch. I'm, really under pressure. So fokol ma, it's a good word, priakloch. Gus, what's that I was saying? Yeah, so lots of Lunny Yanks, Lunny more big waves of Americans coming in. But it's shop a bug, it's only a small shop. But shop a bug. So Mahagan if Mahagan ni smó na Beijers Shesher no Shachter Dine. If more than 6 or 7 people come in, be package pluty meaning packed, lots, dense, pluty, packed. So pluty le Maracani, it does be packed with Americans. Then Americani go mile of fair, so they're good in fairness for with the dollars. siad go má ceannacht ar go bain. Bran muid go mór na American. We depend a lot on the Americans. Bran, Brithen, Bran, but we say here Bran. So Bran would come more in the Yanks, Bran would come more in the American. Mal gan iad, was get a hain, you know what it is, was get a hain nach dain child in the Sire, dain population. So dain in the Sire, tas keen 340. Sin dain in the Sire, that's the population of in the Sire. Agus Morach na Torasori, Morach, if it wasn't Morach na Torasori, if it wasn't for the Torasori, for the Yanks, for the tourists. Vachan daimra beijir la machin, the population would be la, half of what it is. I'd say, gan ein strijvach, without Badrers would be, you know, or without, definitely would be half the population. Maar Bran much go mór na Straid Cherry. Maar fa couple with a like fa beidr go hundul usually means go hundul go then HIOUNDU for the go hundul usually. So go hundul being ager between beigers hine garmagin 11 in the morning agus beigers dochlugs at trununa. So between 11 in the morning and 2 o'clock in the afternoon be my I do be very busy. I do be very busy under pressure, but I had chin bitch racing to Cune in the year shit. Bitch racing to Cune. It does be relatively quiet. Racing to Cune in the year shit. After that, I catch it. I catch and though, but it's past 2. And it's just gone past 2. Kind of marm couple of model if I came to my not tijag no madam about 13 minutes now it's on top. But I kind of marm could you couple of model. I do another couple of minutes till 15 minutes anyway. There's my hain. I said to myself, don't my carry I'll do 15 minutes anyway, it's in ficky ma. Masha kind of couple of model. So Masha shin Sneevens Majana Masha be meaning is sunny. So sunny Mahayar, Gayer for Kalele go Madra. Gayer is another word for dark. And in a Sayer and in a Sayer we say Gayer as opposed to Madra or Mata. In Ishmael and in Ishmosh, said Mata, and the other two islands they'll say Mata. For Gayer, you know, Gayer, they might say Gayer the art time or what as a gaint, you know, it wouldn't be alien to them. They'd know, they'd understand. A Gayer is what we say here. Likewise with us with mad, we wouldn't really say mad. I mean, it's the art time you might hear someone say mad. Pinch a roche, that's just a gaint, you know, that's just a gaint. It would be said the art time. Sure, mad agus Gayer, so be my smile him hol shoelage le Gayer. Sunny clichte, Jack Russell book. Small Jack Russell is very clever. Go hundul be Jack clichte. Usually he's clever. Tasha clichte, tasha maurach. He's very clever. Sabi ma mo shoelage chin níos luaite agus tá blá no pauser. Pauser is another word for flower. Bichashin roche in Ishmael. They say that in Ishmael, pauser. A pauser special ton. There's this lovely special pauser called Magerlín na Mach. So Magerlín na Mach. Magerlí meaning testicles. So of the orchid, it's an orchid. Agus so the bee orchid in Maryland. Agus tá sé gone. Gone is scarce, rare or scarce. But it's pausaid gone. It's a rare, or anav as well, rare. It's a rare plant, rare flower. Agus ní come fós. Tom sean nora. This time last year, we beidir paid na trícin feciam. This time last year, there's 2 or 3. I had seen 2 or 3. As time is a kappa. Was get the hang? Do you know what it is? As time is a kappa. Gur Marial on gur trumach. We trumach. So we had a drought. We naimse go brav an cherem. We le me, beidir me ma good month. For a good month we had a drought. Very dry weather. Agus beidir gon aspa báisteach, a lack of rain. Beidir business cúis. Maybe that's the why. Maybe that's the reason. Nachhfuil an magarlín amach nachhfuil bí orchid five law. Fós. Five law means blossoming or in bloom, flowering. So need see five law fós. It's not flowering. Yeah, well, Mata, if it is, Mata, Niaka Mishi. If it is, I haven't seen it. I can see my more. Fuiro, I was out twice today. Yesterday's Arune. So the 3 law. For the last 3 days I've been brand new cholach. Agus Níl ceall leid on Magdalene amach fós. There's no sight of the Magdalene of the bee orchid yet. Tásúlam go mé. Hopefully go guys. Well, been sort strange very much in there's tours, people have visitors out there. Ach Twy Yanks, I think they're American. Ach is come up Kidmara sé so tásúlam sé bhí me le bhí cumartas bhí been umliach. Mine my van, my wife, myself and my wife, we were competitive. Umliach lena chéile. We're very competitive together. Agus an nora, agus aru nora, she my van chonig on bee orchid dusach and Magdalene amach dusach. Was my wife who spotted the bee orchid last year and the year before. Mission Chéadwood, the first year we looked for it, Fifisaheen in 2021. The first time I saw it and I spotted it first. In my hand saw it, I was very happy with that. Ach, Chinna Vlian the Yishin. Come on, let's go. No, Fifisaheen is Fisadó. Yeah, 2021 and 2022 as I spotted it first. Chin Fifisah3, Fifisah then 2023 and 24. My van, my wife then spotted. So my wife has bragging rights, Marajara. Bashata Sulam Govekim Benjamin. Benjamin Shacht and Ellen Nila Sam. It might be a week before it's visible, or if it's. But maybe should be glor bosh to Han la Shacht, and there was a lot of rain here for a week. But I Beijing on Vosh to last. It'll do it good. Last can be orchid Beijing well or aspa no cal boshach nach she five law. Maybe it's due to the lack of rain that the bee orchid isn't visible yet. Ach my kept go kang my YouTube shorts. I think I have a YouTube short about the bee orchid. Ach my chip gira for those of you who haven't seen it, or what I'm talking about, the bee orchid. It's I think I have a YouTube short, but anyway, session phenomenal. That's 20 minutes now. Beidir go bhfácam with it agus more if you're not subscribed, more will chip subscribe belche. Go mo leanach mein buich mos na mo leanach. I'd appreciate if you could subscribe. I'll cowring check on algorithm. It helps with the algorithm and all of that. Because my gailge chochan keen. I want to. It helps awareness of the Irish language and. Because that's YouTube. There's not that much Irish language content really on YouTube. It compares TikTok. Compared to TikTok, TikTok has significantly way more Irish-speaking content. Mar bhálum gailge chochan keen YouTube. Well, ní cholochan it YouTube ní cholochan it TikTok. Not everyone is on TikTok. So I'd like to kind of raise awareness and for the Irish language, native Irish gailge blast in the Soir, lovely native Irish from in the Soir. Beidir go bhfach muid it. Beidir na my live stream at 8 tomorrow. I might do another live stream tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Branch, it depends. Beidir main priaclach, I might be very busy tomorrow. Fickime. So, thank you. I think there's 2 people. Birch, Chinnabrano, Jabe, Kinskillai. Hello to the 2 people that are watching. That's some good to come. I hope you are well. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Sinead Marsha. Beidir bheith muid amach sib. Slán go fóil, slán.